Hello everyone, I'm Gunjeet from Two Mustaches. I'm your Amazon Sathi seller mentor. We have been selling on Amazon since April 2014, which is close to 8 years now, and have seen a lot of growth selling on Amazon. This growth has been more than 2.5x year on year from past few years. Here's an interesting opportunity I discovered about selling on Amazon, which can help our brand grow further on Amazon. Amazon has recently introduced a 2% selling fee promotional offer wherein certain category products between the value of Rs 301 to 1000 are subject to only 2% selling fees rather than their actual selling fees. Not just this, the best part about this offer is that this offer is applicable to all the products below the value of Rs 300. Since we deal in brass products which are quite costly and heavy by their very nature, hence we were unable to compete with the local market for such low value products. With the launch of this offer, we have immediately repriced our ASINs, which are not just helping us generate good sales but are also bringing a lot of traffic to our brand store. When customer knows your brand store, they may not necessarily buy a 200 or 300 rupees product, they may also end up buying a high value product. Each ASIN on Amazon has a special page rank which decides its position in search when a customer searches for that product. This page rank improves with various factors like number of customers clicking on the product details page, number of people buying the products. So with the launch of this offer, when we are able to reprice the product, there are more conversion on product, there are more people clicking and buying our products, which is improving its page rank, which will not just help us boost the sales but will also help us generate sales even when this promotional offer ends. So just in case you haven't checked out this offer yet, you should go and check your seller central to know that for your product category, what is the amount on which this offer is applicable, and try to reprice your product. Or in case you are unable to reprice the products, try to add more selection, try to bring in more products under this price band so that there are a lot of visits to your ASINs, there are a lot of visits to your brand store, which will not just help you generate sales immediately but will help your brand grow in a long run. Thank you.